Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to the end of the week here at Perry Elementary. It is Friday, November 22nd of 2019, and here are the morning announcements for today. Today's the day. Report card envelopes. You should turn them all in. Hopefully you did, because the class that has the highest percentage of report card envelopes turned in will get a popcorn party from me next week. So hopefully you turned in your report card envelopes no later than today. So hopefully you get into the count. Teachers, you have a survey, a form to complete to let me know how many report card envelopes were turned in for your class. So that was sent last night, so it should be in your inbox in your email right now. So please make sure you complete that, teachers, before lunchtime today. So I will make the announcement after the last lunch at 11:45 to let everybody know who is the winner of the popcorn party for returning all your report card envelopes. So good luck. Birthday list. Today, 3 birthdays. Derek Diamond, Ella Giese, and Parker Columbi. Happy birthday to all of you. That is actually the end of the birthdays for November. So that goes all the way up through tomorrow. So we don't have any birthdays for next week. So happy birthday to everybody. Lunch choices. We have pepperoni pizza, turkey spinach panini, and chef salad. And I'm sorry, boys and girls, but I couldn't do the thanks for Mrs. Lake's class this time, so I will make up for it. I will come in there and get you today for Monday's announcements. Riddle for the day. Everybody up for it? Which weighs more, a pound of feathers or a pound of bricks? Which one weighs more, a pound of feathers or a pound of bricks? If you know the answer and you see me out and about, you can give me a response, but not leaving your classroom to tell me the answer. That's not allowed. You're disrupting your instructional time. You need to be in class. Stay there. Moment of silence. So let's please take one. Let's take a moment of silence at this time. Thank you. Please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, and we have 3 students here from Mrs. Lake's 2nd grade class. So we will do our Pledge of Allegiance. Please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. Everybody have a great end of the week here. It is Friday, so let's have a wonderful day to make sure we end the week on a positive note. If you know the riddle answer, you can find me, but don't get out of class. And teachers, remember, complete the form for the report card envelopes before lunch, before your class goes to lunch today. Thank you.